In today's video, I'm going to share with you some beautiful flowers you can have at your home, and they will add a touch of beauty to your yard. Let's dive right in. So I have right here sunflower. Sunflower can last so long in your yard. They can grow and mature like approximately 3 to 5 months. You can have them for pretty much a long time and they will flower a lot. So if you want this to grow with ease in your yard, you will have to plant it directly in the ground. Don't put it in a pot. If you put it in a pot, its growth will slow down. It will take pretty much a long time for it to grow. So for these flowers I have here, I nursed them. When I nursed them, I kept them in a small nursery bag, and these kept so long before they could grow. So at the point that I had the chance to put them in the farm, they started thriving with ease. But not all of them. A few had stunted growth and they couldn't grow tall as it should be. That was because their growth were limited for pretty much a long time, and when I put them directly in the ground, they were ready to thrive, but they couldn't climb to the height that they usually climb to. Alright, so right here I also have zinnia flowers. Zinnia flowers, oh my, I like this flower so much. They do well in well-drained soil, pretty much loamy soil as well. Well, if it is sandy, it can still thrive. It has a very good withstanding capability. Yes, and look at how beautiful they are blooming. It's so nice, and their blooms last approximately over a week, and even by the time that they dry off, another will bloom again. Look right here, I tried to capture the butterfly on the flower. Guess what happened? When I took the shot, it flew away. It recognized the camera, and no more. It wouldn't wait for me to take another picture. Yeah, that is how butterflies are. Anyway, let's keep going. So as you can see, I have the same zinnia flowers here, but they come in very different colors, and I like the colors right here. When the butterflies settle on them, they pollinate them, and if you are fortunate in the next planting season, if you plant the same seeds, of course, you will have a different variety of colors, and that's how come I've had several colors in the field. But when I bought the seed, I bought different colors as well. And look right here, just behind this zinnia, I was taking a shot. I realized something which was so cool. It is a weed, but this weed looks like baby's breath. So I was wondering, is this baby's breath or this is just a weed? Baby's breath is a type of flower that glows slim and whitish, just like the weed. That is why I am thinking this is baby's breath. Well, if you know, leave a comment below. Now back to the sunflower. As you can see, there are a lot of them here, and the sun was about to set, so I tried to capture some cool shots before the sun sets finally. If you can see right there, that is my shadow around the center of the flower. And yeah, they are no more facing the direction of the sun because they are mature, and it's kind of heavy for them to continue tilting in the direction of the sun. Yes, so that is how sunflower behaves in their old age. In quotes, they are unable to turn to the sun every time. I think they will probably most often settle for the sunrise, or maybe different directions. I will have to take a close look at it from time to time to see how they behave more often. Yeah, so these are the flowers I'm going to show you today. I have several other flowers here, but there's a few I want you to take a look at. And if you can see, it is kind of a disease on the leaf. I don't know whether it's a disease or not. Actually, I sprayed weedicides on the weeds around the flowers. That was approximately 2 weeks ago, and now I'm seeing the signs of yellowing leaves. I don't know if it will continue to yellow or it will wade off. I'm in a WhatsApp group with other farmers, and what they talk about is that if you are experiencing something like this, it means the soil is lacking some essential nutrients. If that is the case, then probably the weedicides I sprayed might have gone down to the soil after it rained, and it is causing some havoc. Well, let's see how it goes. So there's a cool shot of the sunflower trying to bloom, and you know what? The arrangement of the seeds are so beautiful, so cool. If you have the chance, plant one of these in your yard and you will like it so much. Right here, I was still taking some cool shots, of which I'm going to show you at the end of the video. And by the way, if you want some of these flowers in your yard, we do have the seeds. We have the zinnia, coxcomb, sunflower, marigold, several other varieties. Now let's see the shots from this clip. Enjoy. See you in my next video. Ciao.